Got a few spanners here that I've collected over the years. I still collect them now. I look on Facebook Marketplace at job lot of spanners, and if there's any close by and cheap enough, I buy them. This isn't all I've got, to be fair. I've got probably another 10 trays worth in my garage. A few weeks ago I made myself a sign for my bar, and I made it out of spanners, so I'm just going to make another one, show you how I did it, and I'll show you the one I made a couple of weeks ago. This is for my bar, and it's there. Right, that's what I want to say. So, thinking of where I can put it. I think I'm going to put it on my garage door there, but I need some silicone. £7. Is that expensive? I don't know. I've never used this stuff before. We'll see how it goes. I'm not expecting £7 though. Take my Scarface poster down. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tack them on first. I'm just going to put a few screws in to hold them where I think they need to be. Then I'm going to check them that all the letters are right before I silicone them on. So these screws I'm putting in basically just to hold them for now, really. Should stop it going off and wasting. Right, just give that 24 hours now to cure. It should be alright.